What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on SAVA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some news that might affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast and technical analysis for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here when we hit this bottom of around $50 mark, and I've told you that if my assumption is correct and we have ABC correction, we have to have 5 waves in a structure of a C wave. And for now, as you can see, we have only 3 waves. We don't have this retracement, and this peak it is very shallow for the 4th wave, but it is still possible that we might have this shallow retracement from this top to this bottom. And if it is the real case, we are moving south, and as you can see, we already broke this previous bottom. This means technically we have lower highs with lower lows, and this means we might hit lower levels. And let me show you some supports and resistances. First of all, we had this support slash resistance right here on the $50 price point, and technically we broke it. Next one might be right here, but our major swing low is at the level of around $32.1, and this bottom should hold in order to remain bullish for the entire structure, in order to have more chances to hit new all-time highs with the price action. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Cassava Sciences, a clinical stage biotechnology company, develops drugs for neurodegenerative diseases. Its lead therapeutic product candidate is simufilam, a small molecule drug which is completed phase 2b clinical trial. An investigational diagnostic product candidate is SavaDx, a blood-based biomarker diagnostic to detect Alzheimer disease. And this company has a lot of bad news, a lot of rumors, potentially rumors, that drive the price of this company down. And as you can see, it has a very sharp sell-off of more than 62% during last several sessions. And let me show you that for now we have more news related to this company. And we are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on September the 3rd, and it's titled "Cassava CEO Goes Offensive Over Data Allegations." And let me quote you these bullets. Cassava Sciences has garnered attention recently after a citizen petition with the FDA suggested that the use of Alzheimer's candidate data is based on manipulation and misrepresentation. Now the company's CEO is fighting back. Let me be very clear. I think these allegations are false, Barber said, a quote unlikely to soothe investors' opinion of the company. In a lengthy public statement, Cassava CEO Remy Barber called out a short attack on the company's stock while doing little to respond to a series of allegations directly. Barber said, "There are some short sellers who make outlandish allegations, then make a killing when the stock price declines," which he dismissed as a little more than inflammatory. But Barber did add more detail to counter the allegations about the Western blot analysis. He noted that the company doesn't have access to the original data analysis performed at the CUNY lab. Barber said he had asked CUNY to investigate the lab and make the findings public. Meanwhile, Barber admitted that there were 2 visual errors in recent data presentations, but he didn't specify which images were found to be incorrect. In all cases, the data analysis is correct. The visual display of this data is not correct, he said. And let me clarify what was the visual misrepresentation. Right here, in one image from 2017, a figure contains 12 control bands. It should contain 13. In a July presentation poster, the placebo group should contain 20 lines, but it only has 18. And these 2 facts was among the list of allegations in order to drive the price of this company down. And on top of that, let me show you that we have more bearish pressure for now on this company, and we are on Yahoo Finance as well, and this article was published on September the 4th, and it says: SAVA deadline. Berman Tobacco alerts investors with losses in excess of $200,000 of deadline for seeking appointment as lead plaintiff in Cassava Sciences class action. And definitely we might see a lot of this type of allegations and a lot of investigations from other law firms, and it is quite common action from third-party law firms that might have some interest in the bearish pressure of this company. And I don't want to make my own investigation. I just want to warn you, because this type of investment is extremely risky, and you have to rely on this stock as a very high risky asset. And that is why you have to be cautious. But let me show you right here. On tipranks.com we have this forecast for the prices. And we have 5 analysts that have made these ratings, and one of these analysts suggests to hold this stock, and 4 of them suggest to buy it. And let me show you that we have lower estimation of potential price target at around $100, average estimation at $154, and the highest estimation is $215. And this is quite a bullish forecast, and we have to keep in mind that for now we don't know what will be the real price action, and we can only assume it. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we might have one more small leg to the downside, and we might hit several supports that I mentioned just several minutes ago. And definitely right here we can see the spike in volume. This means we are nearing the bottom, we are nearing the point of interest that is surrounding this company, and that is why the lower price goes, the more chances to see a trend reversal. And we should hold this support line in order to remain bullish, in order to be in bull trend from the very beginning to current price, basically, because we have internal retracement. We didn't exceed the previous swing low, and we didn't exceed swing high. This means we are still in consolidation phase, and that is why we might go higher anytime soon. So if you want to try to catch the trade with this ticker, just be extremely cautious, and you can ladder your buys down when you will see the price action to the downside, and this will lead to more juicy profits in the future. So what will be potential targets for the short-term period? In my opinion, we still have a possibility to have this bounce, but if this is the top of our 4th wave and we are seeking the bottom of our 5th wave, we have to retrace not from this point, but we have to retrace the entire movement from this point. And for now we have these levels as potential, this level as potential bottom, and if we will go lower, we have to adjust this tool to have the proper data in it, and we might have following targets. Let me adjust again to this point, and we might hit following targets. First of all, the 0.236 level is the most probable level where we might hit in the short term. Next one, the 0.382 level. It is also very possible that we might hit it. And guys, by the way, if all the allegations will be dismissed, this means this company has an unique product, and this will drastically improve its fundamentals, and this will lead to potential massive spike in price and in volume. And you have to be prepared for this, and that is why you can put this company at least into your watch list. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!